Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You power the Ti-36x Pro and choose the right mode for your problem. Do that now. Start by pressing second then on, check the display contrast, and confirm battery symbol. Next, press mode and move the cursor to set DEG or RAD, float or fix, and select stat if doing statistics. Once done, clear stored variables with second reset or overwrite with SDO. These initial choices determine how results format and whether trig functions output degrees or radians. You'll enter complex expressions using parentheses and the calculator's math templates so the device evaluates in the correct order. Begin with open parenthesis, type numerators and denominators, and use math to insert fractions, roots, or exponents. That prevents order of operations errors. Make use of the ANDS key to chain calculations without retyping, and press second for the negative sign when needed. Once done, switch between fractional and decimal answers through math menu choices to display results the way you need them. You now tackle advanced functions. Access numerical solver, polynomial routines, and matrices through the math and mode options. Enter dimensions carefully and confirm entry with enter. Use the P/R and NCR keys for permutations and combinations, and select ENG or scientific notation when handling large or small values. If something goes wrong, reset to defaults or reselect DEG/RAD. Make sure you didn't leave stat mode on. If the screen is blank or flaky, replace the battery and recheck contrast. This usually fixes display issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.